Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest automotive accessories to enhance your driving experience. Today, we're diving into the world of throttle response controllers and uncovering why the Pedal Commander PC38 stands out as the best choice for your Toyota 4Runner. Picture this. You're behind the wheel of your Toyota 4Runner, ready to hit the road or conquer off-road trails. But there's something missing. That instant response you crave when you step on the gas pedal. Enter the Pedal Commander PC38, the ultimate solution to eliminate throttle delay and unlock the full potential of your vehicle. Let's delve into what makes the Pedal Commander PC38 the top choice for enthusiasts seeking improved throttle response and enhanced driving dynamics. Experience a night and day difference in performance as the Pedal Commander PC38 eliminates the delay from your electronic gas pedal, allowing your Toyota 4Runner to accelerate faster than ever before. With 4 different modes, Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, and 36 adjustable settings, you have the flexibility to fine-tune your driving experience to match your preferences and driving conditions. Need to maximize efficiency without sacrificing power? The Eco mode on the Pedal Commander PC38 significantly slows throttle response, perfect for those long highway cruises or fuel-conscious commutes. Say goodbye to complicated installations. The Pedal Commander PC38 is a simple plug-and-play device that takes only about 10 minutes to install. Plus, it's now Bluetooth compatible, allowing you to control the unit conveniently using the free Pedal Commander app. Worried about voiding your vehicle's warranty? Fear not. The Pedal Commander PC38 will not void the warranty on your Toyota 4Runner or leave any trace behind on your AQ, ensuring peace of mind with every drive. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your Toyota 4Runner to the next level in terms of performance and responsiveness, look no further than the Pedal Commander PC38. With its unmatched features, ease of installation, and warranty-friendly design, it's no wonder why this throttle response controller is the go-to choice for enthusiasts worldwide. That wraps up our review of the best Pedal Commander PC38 available in the market. Stay tuned for more in-depth product analyses and automotive insights here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy driving!